Hello. Sorry to bother you. I would like to buy a plane ticket, please.
Hello. No problem. I'm here to help you. Where would you like to travel?
I would like to go to Paris, preferably today. Are there still seats available?
Yes, there are still a few seats left. Do you prefer a flight in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening? I can suggest several departure times.
The afternoon would be perfect for me. I'm not in a hurry. I just want a comfortable flight.
Very well. There is a direct flight at 3:20 p.m. It's a good time, and there are still seats available.
Great. Is the price reasonable? I don't have a very big budget.
The ticket costs 120 euros. It's the standard price for a flight today. Checked baggage is not included.
All right. And if I want to add a suitcase, how much does it cost?
A 23-kilo suitcase costs 30 euros extra. Would you like to add it now, or would you prefer to decide later?
I prefer to add it now. That way, everything is done. I'm traveling for a week.
Very good. I'll add the baggage. Could you give me your passport, please?
Of course. Here it is. Is everything in order?
Yes, everything is perfect. I'm preparing your ticket. Do you prefer a window seat or an aisle seat?
A window seat, please. I like looking at the view. It relaxes me.
Noted. I have a seat available near the wing. It's a good spot.
Thank you very much. You're really kind. It's nice to receive good help.
You're welcome. That's my job. Here's your ticket. The departure is at 3:20 p.m., Gate B14.
Thank you very much. I wish you a good day. And thanks again for your help.